Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got my hand-tied extensions. I'm super excited because I've never tried this method before. I've had extensions in the past. They were the regular braided method, and this is something new, so I'm super excited, and I'll show you guys a step-by-step process of exactly what I'm talking about. So the reason I'm getting extensions is because I'm kind of bored with this medium length hair, and I'm mainly looking for length. I don't really need the thickness or the volume because my hair is naturally already thick. And I did go ahead and straighten my hair just to make it easier for my stylist to be able to manage my hair because it is naturally wavy and curly. So hopefully we'll have a smooth process because my hair does tend to get slippery when it's straight. So anyway, I'm on my way to the salon and I will meet you guys there. guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching the whole process of how I got my hand-tied extensions. I did go ahead and wash my hair this morning, and I went ahead and blow dried it straight because I just prefer the whole straight look. I feel like because the type of hair that I got, when I curl it or do anything, it kind of gets thin on the ends. This is hair that I got from just like the regular beauty store. This isn't like any type of expensive extensions, only because my natural hair, as you can see, is super thick, and I feel like these extensions are really good because it kind of just like evens everything out in a way. Like, it's not super thick all the way down, and I feel like if I would have gotten like the pricier extensions, the hair up here would be like really thick. So I just feel like these are really good for my hair type and my hair texture. I do have to kind of like flat iron my my natural hair. I just blow dried it, so that's why it kind of like doesn't look like it blends in, and plus like I had my hair in a ponytail and I was wearing a hat earlier, so there's kind of like some lumps and whatever. But this is what the hair looks like, and I just feel like it blends really nicely. And again, there is like a little bit of lumps or whatever because I just had my hair up in a ponytail and I was wearing a hat, but I feel like overall like this is perfect. The only thing I would say is that yesterday when I first got them put in, for the first few hours after, it was okay, but then my head started kind of like hurting because it's like really pulling on my hair and it was like super tight, and I did have a headache towards the end of the night, but I took an Advil and then I went to bed. And this morning when I woke up, I washed my hair and it was really not that hard to wash. I was able to like scrub my scalp. All I did was kind of like feel sections of where the hair is or where the rows are, and I just kind of like parted it, and I was able to like get shampoo into the sections, and then I obviously rinsed it out really well, and then I just conditioned the ends. So like literally I would just take the conditioner and just condition this top part and then really focus down here. I didn't want to put any conditioner like mostly on my real hair because I do have an oilier scalp and I don't want to really be washing my hair every single day now that I have extensions in. So that's basically how I washed my hair, and then I just blow dried it as normal. I sprayed some leave-in conditioner thing, and then I just again felt for sections. So I would take like this much hair and then just like clip all the rest of this out of the way, and then take a comb and just like really blow dry. And I did towel dry my hair a lot after I came out of the shower. I didn't want to just blow dry the hair like while it was dripping wet, and then I did take the blow dryer and like blow dried about 80%, so it wasn't like dripping wet when I did dry it. And I guess like when I go out, I would go ahead and run a flat iron through my hair. I wouldn't curl it though because it makes it shorter obviously, and then I don't like when I curl it, it makes my hair look really sparse at the end. So I prefer the straight look because I feel like it just looks a lot more like blended and better. And I would say that the color matched my hair perfectly. I did have blonde hair before this, or I had blonde balayage before this, and I went ahead and colored my natural hair. I went ahead and colored my hair back to its natural color, which is obviously this color, and then it matched the extensions perfectly. This is like, I guess, like a dark brown. So anyways, if you're in the Orlando area and you're looking for a new stylist, or you're looking to get your hair either colored or have extensions or any hair service, definitely check out Ernie. He is the stylist at your favorite salon and microblading down near downtown Orlando. I'll go ahead and link all the information down in the description below, including how you can get an appointment with him. But I do hope you guys enjoyed watching the process of me getting my hand-tied extensions, and I will see you on the next one.